Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be discussing Chainlink. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy Link, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. The open-source Chainlink technology was collectively designed by a large community of developers, researchers, and users who share a common goal of evolving Chainlink into a community-driven blockchain ecosystem. Chainlink's decentralized network of nodes uses oracles to provide data and information from off-blockchain sources to on-blockchain smart contracts, and aims to incentivize a global network of computers to provide reliable, real-world data to smart contracts running on top of blockchains. Chainlink started on Ethereum, but their Oracle services are also available on other popular blockchains, such as Bitcoin and Hyperledger. So, who created Chainlink? In 2017, the co-founders of Chainlink, Steve Ellis and Sergey Nazarov, published its white paper and launched the Chainlink network as a smart contract project. Sergey Nazarov joined the cryptocurrency revolution in 2011, and his vision is to transform the way societies distribute wealth, enforce contracts, and share information with their citizens. Sergey harnesses a unique understanding of enterprise adoption with blockchain technologies, as he has been working with leading banks, insurance companies, and large technology firms over the years. Chainlink can be used either by developers wanting to build hybrid smart contracts or by clients seeking fully developed products such as market and data feeds, cross-chain bridging, and verifiable random functions or random number generation for their smart contracts. Chainlink can also be used for the automation of smart contracts and audits of on-chain and off-chain reserves. This decentralized Oracle network consists mainly of purchasers and providers of data who either request data or return data in a secure way. Users of Chainlink also have the option to become node operators, who are responsible for running and maintaining Oracle infrastructure to ensure that smart contracts across every blockchain have secure access to the highest quality real-world data. Both independent developers and large companies can sell data as node operators to the Chainlink network and be paid in Link tokens in the process. Link is an ERC20 token that is built on Ethereum. Besides earning Link as a data provider, this token can be traded for fiat currency or other digital currencies and can be bought on Coinbase, Binance, and Huobi. As Chainlink's native token, Link was created to help with financing the growth of Chainlink projects and to incentivize the mining of these tokens. Link tokens are the digital asset token used to pay for services on the network. Chainlink's current market cap is $24.2 billion, with a total of 1 billion tokens and approximately 441 million tokens already mined. The safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings to avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. Based on research, we have compiled a list of some of the top 3 wallets that are compatible with Chainlink and suitable for storing Link tokens. The first wallet is the Coinbase software wallet, which provides multi-currency support and allows you to easily generate more wallets for different cryptocurrencies. you can send crypto payments via the app and store your keys on Google Drive. The next wallet is the Ledger Nano hardware wallet, which is secure and reliable, and supports multiple cryptocurrencies. The most prominent feature of this wallet is its security, and it can be taken off the grid at any time, making it almost impossible for hackers to steal your assets. Another great wallet is the Coinomi software wallet, which is focused on generalizing its services, and it has good security, zero transaction fees, and multi-currency support. So what do we like about Chainlink? Chainlink allows developers to build on a flexible framework that can retrieve data from any API, connect with existing systems, and integrate with any current or future blockchain. Using oracles, Chainlink extends the functionality of blockchain technology by connecting smart contracts to real-world data, events, payments, and off-chain computation. A large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, and security auditors are the driving force behind Chainlink's development. Chainlink plays an important role in the evolution of blockchain technology, and cryptocurrencies continue to evolve. The decentralized Chainlink Oracle network will be a key factor in the long-term stability and viability of cryptocurrency in general, and provides real-world data to smart contracts on the blockchain. The Chainlink network supports many leading DeFi applications, CeFi companies, and other financial institutions, and its flexibility makes it easy to integrate this technology with the existing systems and architecture being used by enterprises. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Chainlink. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.